melted the butter. Now I'm going to pour the butter in. Now can I mix it? Now we're going to mix it. After the mixer, I'm going to use my hand to rub the dough because I have gloves. I'm massaging the dough. I transform my dough into a plastic wrap. I put it in a plastic wrap. And then I shape it into a rectangle. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay. Yesterday my mom and sister made the dough already. So since they put it in the fridge, it's now easier to cut and cut in pieces. So I'm going to use a small knife and we're going to cut. Now my mom is cutting 4 pieces. See, you have to ask a grown-up to help you. Since we cut everything and put them on paper, we're waiting for the oven to be at 365. I took our cookies out of the oven. I hope you had fun making these cookies, and if you want, you can decorate them with anything.